Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by assembling parts and securing safety. You must remove power and verify 0 voltage with a meter before touching any mains wiring. Once done, mount a 230-volt rated capacitor bank sized 5 to 10 microfarads for basic reactive compensation. Include a properly rated fuse and an isolation switch. Make sure to use insulated wire and tidy connections to avoid heating. Finally, label the module and plan where to attach it near the distribution board for later testing. Next, assemble the module and connect it to the household circuit. You wire the capacitor bank in parallel with the target load so it supplies leading reactive current and reduces the phase angle. Include an inrush limiter or NTC to prevent capacitor surge currents. Make sure all connections are crimped or soldered, insulated with heat shrink, and enclosed in a ventilated box. Once assembled, mount the enclosure near the consumer unit, keeping at least 5 centimeters clearance to allow normal cooling and safe access. Finish by testing and tuning the device while watching safety. First, re-energize and measure real watts versus apparent VA with a clamp meter to confirm improved power factor. Record baseline and post-install readings. Then fine-tune capacitance in 5 microfarad steps to avoid overcorrection and monitor for any abnormal heating or humming. If you detect noise, vibration, or rising temperature, disconnect immediately, check wiring and the fuse, and replace any suspect capacitor or connection before retrying to ensure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.